I'll explain the overhaul procedure of air cooler every 4,000 to 5,000 hours. This engine is a unit structure of air cooler and turbocharger table. The core of air cooler is cylindrical type and it is equipped with 2 cores. It is a feature which is possible to draw out only core to both sides during maintenance. Firstly, detach the cooling water pipe at the inlet and outlet of cooling water and bypass valve. Furthermore, remove the tank and O-ring at both sides. When washing the tube of cooling water side, brush the tube with a long handle brush. When washing the fin of air side, push and draw out the core. Wash the detached core. Clean the fin on the air side with steam or cleaning fluid. After that, blow the compressed air and finally wash it by water. Check the coating in the inner surface of the boost air duct and of its tank. If the coating has peeled off, repair it. Check for clogging of drain hole. Reassemble the air cooler in inverse order for disassembly. Replace all packing and O-rings. Make sure to set the water return board. Align the stamp mark O of cooler core with the set mark of body when installing the cooler core.